Let's take a look at how to change a quantity on an existing order in SalesPal. I'm going to go into this demo order right here that has the PO that's marked as change quantity. Click on that to open it up. And it's really as simple as clicking in the quantity field and typing a new number. But I wanted to point out a couple of things to take note of depending on the type of item that your quantity is changing. First of all, if you haven't seen this in other videos, this is the hide button right here. You can also access it by typing Control-1. And all that does is hide all of your detailed information if your customer may be looking over your shoulder or whatnot and you don't want them to see all of your markups and things. Also want to point out to you that this symbol right here indicates that this is a catch weight item and this is a non-catch weight item. So the price here for one is $39.79 each. This is for one unit, $2.17. When you need to see the math, how we arrive at this extended price on a catch weight, just click on this and you can see that I have a one case on order. The weight for each case is 82.70 and the price per pound is 217, and that's where we get the 179. And likewise here, this is a two quantity, 42.30, 286, and that's how we get that. And then lastly, when you're looking at your gross profit, you can see this little button right here, the double price tag. That is your extended gross profit. If I click on it again, you'll see some of these figures change. And now you see a single price tag here, and this is your per unit gross profit. So like for instance, with this one here, that's a two quantity, you can watch the difference between per unit and extended total. Okay, so how do we do this? We just simply go into an item. Let's go to this eggs here and say we want to change that to two cases. I'll just type a 2 there. And as soon as I tab out or click out of that box, all of this stuff will recalculate like so. And you notice the minute I make a change, just like anywhere else in SalesPal on an order, the minute you make a change, the status of your order goes back to editing. That means that this change is sitting on your computer, but it is not up on the server yet. In order to get it on the server, we would have to change this status to ready to sync and then call host. Let's do one more here. Let's do a catch weight. Let's make this a 3 quantity. Click in there, type a 3, and I'm going to tab out of it. And now we can see that status right there change. The extended price change. And we can take a look at the new calculation and we see a 3, and that ends up at 538. And likewise, our extended gross profit versus our unit gross profit is right here. Okay, that is pretty straightforward, and just remember when you're ready to send those changes in, we need to mark this order again as ready to sync, which will set it up so that the next time you call host, these changes will go up to the server.